Hi, I'm Brandy G, the Community NP.
And I'm Brandy B, also the Community NP. Today we're going to show you guys how to check your blood pressure at home, just so that you can make sure you're doing it right. And remember to, write your numbers down and always bring it to all of your appointments with your primary care provider. Also, we'll be giving away 3 wrist blood pressure monitors and 3 of the upper arm blood pressure monitors. And what do they got to do, B, to get these?
So they have to, first of all, follow us on Instagram and Facebook at BNB, the Community NPs.
Mm-hmm.
Also subscribe to our YouTube channel, BNB, the Community NPs.
And then also just tell your friends to do it too.
Yeah, share, like, subscribe.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. So first I'm gonna check your blood pressure.
Okay.
So if you're at home, kitchen table, that's probably like the best place to check it, but your living room sofa or your bedroom, you can check your blood pressure, okay?
Mm-hmm.
So B, I want you to sit vertical to our table, okay? Can you put the palm of your hand up?
Yes.
All right. So I'll grab something. Pick it up later. Okay.
So my
Palm of your hand is up.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So B, they have something on a blood pressure cuff that says artery, right? So the artery, you want with this little area here, you want it to go into the indentation of your arm right here, okay? So let's see. Just relax. All right. Make sure I don't want it too tight on you. Okay, that's a perfect fit, okay? Let me just take this wire and put it this way. Okay, also what I noticed is that where your arm is level, it's at the level of your heart. So you usually want it at the level of your heart also. Okay? So from there, just press start and
it reads, the monitor reads it. Like I said, write it down, take it to your appointment. If you notice that it's high, like your top number is
greater than 140,
yeah,
bottom number greater than 90, they probably can wait a couple of minutes, about 5 minutes, sit down, relax, wait, and recheck it.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then, so we're going to show you also how to use the wrist monitor. Okay.
Okay. Let's see.
So I'm going to take my watch off, just so that my wrist is bare.
Okay.
And then you just place it on.
Well, I like the way it cups.
Yeah, snug little fit.
Yeah. Okay.
And then with this one, same heart is, the monitor is at the level of the heart.
Okay.
And then this one's pretty simple. You just turn it on, hit start, it starts to read.
Let's see what my blood pressure is.
You want to see how my blood pressure better be good.
Let me take a look. Your blood pressure is 114 over 72, heart rate 68. Very good, very good.
I'm gonna live.
Yes.
Good. Okay. So basically that is how you use both types of machines. You can, purchase them on Amazon. Like we said, we're giving away a total of 6. So we're giving away 3 of the wrist cuffs and 3 of the arm cuffs. So you have a chance to get one for free. But if you don't get one, then you can purchase them, like I said, at Walmart, Walgreens, any pharmacy, and Amazon. I buy everything on Amazon.
Me too.
But yeah. So, but if you have any questions or feedback, you can leave it in the comments below. Reach out to us, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and
just remember that community is our beauty.
That's all right. Thank you. Have a good day.